Good news na yan talaga.
Tama, Atos.
Para po yan sa inyo.
Aba kung gano'n, that's all good.
The news that trust is here, more to know, lots to learn.
Good stories, good recipes, sa nakaka-good vibes.
Be happy.
We're happy to keep you company. Cooking good food.
Let's jump for joy.
Make good memories
Excuse me.
together.
Get ready for adventure.
Let's make good memories!
Ayan, ito na.
Patikim pa lang yan ang bonggang ihandog sa inyo.
Friends are coming, they're falling.
Wala ko sa tala.
They're on the chance of fading. There's hope today. Relax.
Kayo maingay.
Di ba?
Kayo maingay, nagbibideo ako.
You're lucky.
Huwag kayo maingay.
When fantasy meets reality.
Good and fall in love. Everything is larger than life. When good drama comes to life.
Tara, let's go.
Droriliano. Wala na si Kuya Tony Pet. Si F. Maxio, sir.
This is GTV DWDB TV Channel 27, a commercial TV station with 30,000-watt transmitting power, authorized under station license number
Nakakalay na ako.
BSD-0175-2022.
Malabo na naman yung camera.
Issued by the National
Lumina ulit.
Telecommunications Commission, valid until May 9, 2025. GTV studios are located at the GMA Complex, EDSA Corner Timog Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City, Republic of the Philippines. The GTV transmitter station is located at Barangay Culyac, Tandansora, Quezon City. GTV engineering is headed by Elvis B. Ancheta, professional electronics engineer number 897. GTV transmission personnel is composed of electronics engineers,
Labo na naman ang camera, ang putik.
technicians, and first-class
Yan,
radio
hinihina ko ulit.
operators with licenses issued by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Ricardo L. Cabral, Professional Electronics Engineer number 92. Erwin R. Timbre, Electronics Engineer number 3650. Joel M. Agu, Electronics Engineer number 40727. Bonnie Ray A. Ulang, Electronics Engineer number 47499. J. Raul C. Arellano, Electronics Engineer number 49545. Jonathan G. Salvo, Electronics Engineer number 19705. Chester Luis C. Banzuela, Electronics Engineer number 59014. Louis O. Shapenko,
Pahimik muna kayo, nagre-record ako dyan.
Ralph T. Palma, Electronics Engineer number 29315. Rodrigo P. Quizon Jr., Professional Electronics Engineer number 875. Eric D. Kalaykay, Electronics Engineer number 26010. Ryan Jesus I. Zapanta, Electronics Engineer number 41636.
Quiet on the set.
Christian C. Cordovez, Electronics Engineer number 46636. Jefferson V. Dahilog, Electronics Engineer number 24515.
Tahimik nga,
Robert D.
nagbibideo
Santos,
ako.
Electronics Engineer number 27671. Manerto D. Logronio Jr., Electronics Engineer number
Ayoko
28729.
maingay sobra pag nagsusut ako
Vega
eh.
Jr., Electronics Engineer number 19182. RVP
Dad,
Carrion,
wag ka nga mag-ingay.
Electronics Technician number 603.
Nagbibideo lang ako.
Inocencio Robert D. Maniago, 95-1PNCR-15029. Arnel V. Aricheta,
Quiet on the set,
93-1PNCR-6617. Nathaniel F. Santiago, 11-1 PHN-26421 Manuel B. Relion. 99-1 PNCR-21589 Junie D. Sioson. 95-1
After ng GTV ko, panood ng sign-off ng GTV. GMA naman.
Lucas B. Caminante. 95-1 PXI-12654 All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. Seen via satellite in 27 stations nationwide. Luzon, GTV 27 Manila, TV 27 Ilocos Norte, TV 27 Tuguegarao, TV 26 Apari, TV 22 Benguet, TV 26 Olongapo, TV 26 Batangas, TV 26 Occidental Mindoro, TV 27 Puerto Princesa,
Nalilinaw
Palawan,
ako ng mata.
TV
Gawa ng
27
malinaw na
Masbate,
TV.
TV 28 Naga, TV 27 Legazpi, Visayas, TV 27 Calibo, TV 27 Rojas,
Diyan nakatira si Kylie. I-rate nyo yung
Iloilo,
tirahan niya sa Kalibo Aklan.
Cebu, TV 28 Dumaguete, TV 26
Napunta yung tatay ko sa Dumaguete.
Mindanao,
Tay,
TV
nakatira
26
na sa Dumaguete
Dipolo,
tayo, no?
TV 22
Hi.
Osamis, TV 26 Pagadian, TV 27 Surigao, TV 27 Davao, TV 26 General Santos, TV 21
Likod ng camera ko.
TV 27 Cotabato, TV 26 Holo. This is GTV, now signing off.
Keep it good.
Ang mga pamana ng ating kultura. Mula magulang sa anak hanggang sa susunod pang henerasyon.
Akala ko, June Venerasyon.
Sa paglipas ng panahon, sa tahanan at sa ating pakikitungo sa kapwa, nabubuo ang mga katangiang ating pinahahalagahan.
May gera sa Pilipinas ah.
Mga katangiang humuhubog
Ayan, 12-11.
sa ating
After ko manood ng GTV signing off na Lupang Hinirang, manonood naman ako ng 700 Club Asia. Para ko nagsisimba sa gabi.
mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng
Lupang
Pilipinas.
Hinirang. Baguhin na yung national anthem ng baguhin na yung music video ng GMA na Philippine National Anthem. Philippines. Uy, SM MUA. Namiss ko puntaan yan. Dinaanan ko na yan eh. GMA. Malapit sa bahay ko. Tapos na.